College is a unique experience that allows students to explore their interests and develop new skills while pursuing an education. However, college life can be overwhelming, and students can easily feel isolated and disconnected from their peers. That's why it's essential to build a network of friends in college that can support you through the ups and downs of academic and personal life. In this video, we'll discuss the types of friends you should have in college and 3 connections that can make you rich. The cheerleader. The cheerleader is the kind of friend who is always there to encourage you, support you, and lift you up when you're feeling down. They are your biggest fan and will celebrate your successes with you. The cheerleader is a vital friend to have in college because they can help you maintain your confidence, even when you're facing challenges. Having a cheerleader in college can be especially helpful because it can be easy to feel overwhelmed by coursework and the stress of exams. When you have a friend who believes in you, it can be easier to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Plus, having someone who is genuinely happy for you when you succeed can be a powerful motivator to keep pushing yourself. The mentor. The mentor is a friend who is older, wiser, and has more experience than you. They can offer valuable advice and guidance when you're facing difficult decisions or need help navigating new situations. Mentors are also great resources for networking and can help connect you with professionals in your field of study. Having a mentor in college can be incredibly beneficial, especially if you're unsure of your career path or need help figuring out what steps to take after graduation. Mentors can offer insights into the industry and share their personal experiences, which can help you make more informed decisions about your future. Plus, having someone who can vouch for your skills and abilities can be a huge asset when you're applying for jobs or internships. The challenger. The challenger is a friend who pushes you to be your best self. They will challenge your assumptions, push you to try new things, and hold you accountable when you're not living up to your potential. The challenger is a vital friend to have in college because they can help you develop new skills, learn from your mistakes, and push you out of your comfort zone. Having a challenger in college can be especially helpful because it can be easy to fall into a routine and get stuck in your ways. When you have a friend who is always pushing you to do better, it can be easier to stay motivated and focused on your goals. Plus, having someone who can offer constructive criticism can be incredibly valuable, as it can help you improve your skills and abilities. Now that we've covered the types of friends you should have in college, let's talk about 3 connections that can make you rich. Professional connections. Professional connections are the people you meet in college who can help you land your dream job or start your own business. These connections can include professors, alumni, and professionals in your field of study. Building a network of professional connections can be incredibly valuable, as it can open doors to new opportunities and help you establish yourself in your industry. To build professional connections in college, attend networking events, join industry-related clubs and organizations, and participate in internships or volunteer work. Be sure to stay in touch with the people you meet, as they can be valuable resources throughout your career. Personal connections. Personal connections are the people you meet in college who become your lifelong friends. These connections can include roommates, classmates, and friends you make through extracurricular activities. Building personal connections can be incredibly valuable, as these friends can support you throughout your life and help you navigate challenging situations. To build personal connections in college, try to be open to meeting new people and getting involved in campus activities. Attend events and social gatherings, and don't be afraid to strike up a conversation with someone new. When you find people you click with, make an effort to stay in touch and plan regular hangouts or activities. Building strong personal connections can also help you maintain a work-life balance in college. Having friends who share your interests and hobbies can provide a much-needed break from academic stress and help you stay mentally and emotionally healthy. Global connections. Global connections are the people you meet in college who come from different cultural and geographic backgrounds. These connections can include international students, study abroad programs, and language exchange programs. Building global connections can be incredibly valuable, as it can help you broaden your perspective, learn about different cultures, and develop skills for working in a globalized world. To build global connections in college, Seek out opportunities to interact with international students or participate in study abroad programs. You can also try language exchange programs or join clubs and organizations that focus on global issues or cultural exchange. Building global connections can help you develop skills for working in diverse environments, which can be invaluable in today's globalized job market. Thank you for tuning in to our discussion on the types of friends you should have in college and the free connections that can make you rich. Building a diverse network of friends and connections can provide you with the support, guidance, and opportunities you need to thrive in college and beyond. So remember to seek out the cheerleader, mentor, and challenger in your friendships and build professional, personal, and global connections to broaden your perspective and enhance your career prospects. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more content on personal and professional development. Thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video.